So you say you got a low tire, do you? Well, I'm gonna come here and show you how to air your tire up today with this here Black & Decker air station. It's good for airing up tires. So we've got our tire, we've got our tool, and you can either run it off the cigarette lighter power outlet, or you can run it with an extension cord. I prefer to use the car. So first thing we're gonna do is come in here, open the door, plug this in. We're gonna start the vehicle, roll down the window. Then we've got the piece that sends the air into the tire. Take off our valve stem cap here, and we're going to insert that and then close the clasp. We're gonna set the desired PSI to 30, and as you can see, it's not too much below that now.
And
we're gonna we're gonna check the door sticker for the tire spec. Looks to be here, that 30 PSI. Great catch, mother. And we're gonna turn it on with this switch here in the back. And once it reaches the specified PSI, the Black & Decker Air Station Compact Portable Tire Inflator Air Compressor doohickey will shut itself off. Now we repeat the process with the other 3 tires for safe driving and responsible car ownership.